Coach Josh, training for Warriors Portland, and I want to help you get rid of any back pain you might have. It's a common thing a lot of us have. It's probably the #1 complaint of athletes in and out of the gym. And there's a couple of really simple things you could do. Obviously, we know stronger core is going to help you, but even when you're training your core, sometimes you can still flare up that low back when you're trying to do the right thing. And here's a quick and easy way you can get a little bit of relief to that common irritation of the low back. So if you look at Sandra here, she demonstrates what most of us have, which is an anterior pelvic tilt, a lot of arch here in the lower back. And what happens is tight quads. When you're doing your training, you're just increasing the tension on the anterior side or the front side of the pelvis. That's increasing the pelvic tilt. So we want to take some of that pressure off the low back and kind of flatten out the back. And we're going to do that not just by doing static stretches, although that does work. We're also going to do some SMR, so myofascial release, to get immediate change in the body. So Sandra's going to lie down. And all we need to do to get that change is find that kind of bunch of muscle here in the peak of the quad, right here, kind of halfway between the hip and the knee, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure. I'll do that for 45 seconds, and she's going to feel this kind of immediately in her lower back. And then if you don't have a coach around, all you need is a giant red ball, because you can kind of do the same thing. So Sandra's going to lie face down on the floor. She's going to find the center part of her quad, and she's going to sit on it. And she's going to breathe for about 45 seconds. So what she's doing here is she's not trying to flex, she's not trying to increase the pressure, she's not trying to do anything special, but just apply that ball steadily to that spot in the center of the thigh. And after about 45 seconds, that tissue will release, and it's not going to create some sort of immediate significant change. What will happen is a little bit of some of that tension will go away, her low back will feel better right now, which will allow her to train and do her drills, her squats, her core exercises, so she builds up that core strength to eventually change the pelvic tilt and reduce or eliminate that back irritation. So give it a try. If you got a lacrosse ball, a tennis ball, something like that will work. Really simply, 45 seconds per side. Do it, feel better, and continue to build muscle, burn fat, and bring forth the warrior within.